Welcome to the South Carolina Preservation Toolkit. This video will demonstrate how to answer the question, I want to establish a South Carolina historical marker for my project. This might be one of the most common questions we get from folks who are beginning preservation projects and want to establish a historical marker. Is one of the first steps that lots of people take. To find out more about that, you would go under Tools and you would look at our how-to guides. Our how-to guides are printable, downloadable, and shareable PDFs, giving a step-by-step walkthrough of how to go through specific preservation processes. So if you scroll down on the page, you'll see that How to Acquire a State Historical Marker is the first PDF that we have listed. We also have a bunch of other guides. We have how to apply for the National Register, how to collect family oral histories, how to apply for a preservation grant, how to start a preservation project, how to preserve your family artifacts, and how to explore your family history. If we go back up and click on how to acquire a state historical marker, you will open this how-to guide. Again, this is printable and downloadable and shareable, so it's a great resource to walk you through the process. So we'll give a little bit of a description. We give things to consider before you start. And we'll give a starting the application process step-by-step guide, and then some other suggestions and tools throughout the PDF that you can explore. If you want to head back to the page, you can just click back onto the other tab. Thanks for joining us.